Proposal for a new podcast series, Quick Quirks by Janet Spencer, the Trivia Queen. A quirk is defined as an unexpected twist. What could be more interesting than a twist in the plot of a story? All quick quirks tell a short story, a true tale. Then they ask a simple question. The answers will surprise you. The answer to the question is the quirk. A simple and surprising answer to an intriguing question. It is presented in a style reminiscent of Paul Harvey's The Rest of the Story.
A spicy sauce. Off the coast of Louisiana, there's a place called Avery Island. A family named McElhenney owned the island and ran the nation's first successful salt mine there. In 1862, in the midst of the Civil War, Union troops invaded the area. The troops needed salt to preserve their meat and soon overtook the island. Mr. McElhenney took his family and fled to Texas. When he returned after the war, he found the salt factory and his plantation ruined. All that was left was a crop of hot peppers, which the soldiers had no taste for. The peppers were particularly hot because the soil was so salty. McElhenney was determined to turn the peppers into profit and began experimenting. He devised a new sauce using his own peppers combined with the island's salt, along with vinegar and spices. After pouring it into empty cologne bottles, he sent off samples to wholesalers. In 1868, he sold 350 bottles of the sauce. In 1870, he sold over 1,000. 2 years later, demand was so great he had to open a London branch. Today, McElhenney's factories on Avery Island produce 200,000 to 300,000 bottles of this sauce each day, as well as 1.5 million tons of salt annually. What is the name of Mr. McElhenney's sauce? Welcome back to Quick Quirks. These are quick and interesting stories that will surprise you and make you say, hum. When Mr. McElhenney mixed up his first batch of his pepperish sauce, he probably had no idea that over 150 years later his sauce would have a world-renowned reputation and be one of the most recognizable American food products of all time. The sauce Mr. McElhenney created from the ashes of his plantation was named Tabasco, after the peppers that saved the day. And now you know more than you knew before.